Jillian, can you give us a brief outline of your career and what your main motivation was to switch to acting?
Okay, so I'm a full-time theater actor and a film actor as well. I've done a few advertisements. I've done a few advertisements as well, and so my main motivation to switch to acting was purely passion. Ever since I was a child, I used to act in plays, in college and school, and but I never really, at the age of 2021, I never had the courage or the know-how. I didn't even know that I could make this a career till much later. So purely out of the love for the 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 craft of acting and the fact that I get to play different characters and be different people, that is something that attracted me towards acting initially.
All right. So, um, what guidance do you have for some students who look to pursue theatrical arts like film, television, and movies?
Okay, first of all, let me start by being cliche and say that it is not as easy as it probably looks from the outside, but it's not impossible either. The main thing I would tell anyone who wants to get into this career is that you need to have a lot of patience and persistence. For example, if you want to be an engineer, you need to study a lot, right? So, similarly, the way you study for any other profession, you need to get yourself equipped with the tools of the profession of acting. So I would definitely recommend you try to go to a school. You know, we have amazing drama schools in India. We have the drama school in Bombay. We've got National School of Drama. We've got FTII. If somebody wants to apply to schools abroad, that's also good. But if you do not take that path of formal education, it is also okay. But try to equip yourself with tools of acting by doing workshops, by doing theater. Theater is a great learning ground. It definitely teaches you what not to do. For me personally, it taught me a lot about what to do and um, what is the way forward. So I would say a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and love. You need to love what you do. Of course, that goes for any profession, but I'd say for acting, you'd need a lot of passion and empathy because you are playing characters ultimately. You are getting into the skin of another person. For example, if I want to play, just a simple example, if I want to play somebody who's very a poor person who's homeless, just an example. I know it may sound generic, but I am not homeless, and thankfully, I'm not poor at the moment. But if I want to play that, I need to observe people. I need to be empathetic towards these sort of people, towards any character that I play. So I think empathy is very important. Hard work, perseverance, research, and patience.
All right. So, thank you, Jillian. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck.
Thank you, Johan. It was nice speaking with you.